Hello, I am Estrella Largo Oropa. I am from the Philippines. I live in Butuan City. I've just resigned from my job last February 28, 2014. I have had two companies I've worked with. First, with a logging business where logs processing into veneer and plywood manufacturing. Then the second one is in the pawn shop and lending business. My skills in accounting, auditing, bookkeeping, and payroll processing helped me to handle this job for about 20 years. I am good in recording of business transactions in the accounting books of accounts. Prior to that, I am also experienced in warehouse tax inventory and construct a new accounts in accounting procedures. I am hardworking, enthusiastic, can work under pressure, and I'm sure I will be an asset to the company. I am a computer literate and knows about MS Office that includes MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and MS Access, etc. Considering of my past experience, I am confident that I can handle any accounting, auditing, bookkeeping, and payroll tasks. Thank you for listening to this reported resume, and I look forward to be a part of your working force. And again, thank you.